Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to schedule your YouTube video uploads. So for that, what you have to do, click on create videos and upload videos. Select a video from your files and click on it. And for that, we have to go to an option called visibility. Click on it and come to an option called scheduled. Click on scheduled, leave the other option, and as you click on scheduled, you can schedule it at any time. For me, if for example I am scheduling it at 20 May, and for my audience the most active time is around 6 p.m. I believe. Yeah, around 6 p.m. So I'll schedule my video at around 6 p.m. So at that time my video will be uploaded, and I'll click on schedule and accepting all the other options, and I'll click on next and scheduled, and that way my video will be uploaded at a given amount of time. So if you need any help regarding any YouTube tutorial or anything else, please make sure to leave us a comment, and see you soon in the next video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.